Let's do it. Unfiltered opinions on the new holiday collection. Check it out. Okay, so I had like a preview of the holiday collection. I'll link it up here, but it's disregard it because some of the information I had was not true. So the holiday collection launched November 1st, which was yesterday. I'm filming this on the 2nd, and I don't know when it's going to come out for you, but listen, I have opinions and we're going to talk about it. Okay, the first thing is you open it up and you see the holiday dozen. It's $120 for a bunch of minis. Okay, so you get like a mini blender full and a brush and eyeshadow, who knows what shade, they're not telling you. You get a mini One Drop Wonder, which I really hate, a Sotux, which is awesome, mini brow gel, which is new, a lip gloss in the color Bliss, which is pretty much like a clear and enduring lip color, and macaroon, which is really nice neutral shade. First base primer contains alcohol, so watch out using that on your face. Mask of Zen, my favorite. Skin polish, really nice. And a mini due date. That's what you get, but they're all mini. They're like 1/4 the size of the original. It's just a lot of freaking money for a bunch of minis. I get it. If you have the money, then you might want to try it. $120, so and you get 12 things, so it's $10 a piece. It really is not worth that. They're not giving you $10 worth of product if you figure it all out. Pretty much everything is 1/4 of the regular price amount or even less. So I'm not feeling it, okay? Like, I'm not spending $10 on a mini blenderful. It doesn't happen for me. Let's talk about that. Okay, so you're getting 5 mini blenderfuls and brush cleanser for $58. No, thank you. I can't even. Okay, whew, that holiday. Okay, let's talk about the Snowman collection. Okay, it is $72 and you get a gym bag, but it's $92 if you want the gym bag. Okay, what? First of all, it's a Snowman collection, but I mean, I personally don't know any men that are going to carry a Limelife by Alcone bag to the gym. So, then there's a palm balm, like a bath balm in it, and then 2 products. It is not worth $72 for 2 products, a palm balm for the man in your life. No, don't do it. I can't do it. There's no possible way. Okay, now when I did the preview of what's coming out, I was really excited about this Hollow Ball, okay? The Hollow Ball collection. You get a nice holiday ball and you can pick 3 items in it, and I thought it was going to be like $30. Now it's $38. $38. So you're getting like 3 things, but they're miniature. They're like 1/4 of the normal products or even less. Like the Mask of Zen is like 1/8 of the amount you normally get. And there's no word on how much One Drop Wonder you're getting. But let's just say you pick some of the most expensive things, like the mini Mask of Zen, the mini skin polish, and the mini Sotux. So that's all, and you divide it by the amount and everything, so it'll be $31 kind of. You divide it for, you're not getting, there is no way to do the math that you're getting anywhere near $38 worth of product. Now I know you get this pretty little tin and it hangs up and you get to try some products. So if that's what you're thinking, I mean, it's better than spending $42 on a clay mask that you decide you hate or the skin polish that you hate. But then let's talk about, okay, the soaps. I'm gonna go with the Winter Mint collection. Okay, like a palm balm and a soap, and if you like that sort of thing, I mean, the bath bombs are like $10 at least, right? Anywhere of quality one, and a soap's like 10. So the Winter Mint collection and the Soap and Joy collection, I'm looking at them, I'm thinking, okay, they're not for me, but I could almost see like getting the Winter Mint collection as a gift for a teacher. I honestly could. The Soap and Joy collection, I don't know. There's nothing else. So that if I had to get teachers gifts, that's the one I would get. The last thing I was so excited about was the Get Glowing collection, okay? I thought it was gonna be like $40, okay? The Get Glowing collection is $72, okay? $72 for 4 products, 4 mini-size products, which are less than a quarter of the normal price. If you like average it out and you count it up, if you got full-size products, it would cost you $132. And you're like only getting 1/4 of that amount. So it should only be like $33 worth of products. That's what you're getting, $33 worth of products, but they're charging you $72. And I thought this was like so awesome because I love Mask of Zen, right? I'm a huge fan of the 40 Cure Cream also. And then the Dream Clean, the facial cleanser, I liked it. You know, I would be happy to have a little bit of that. And then I wanted to try Skin Therapist. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get the Get Glowing collection. Never. No fucking way for $72. They really screwed the pooch on this one. I'm sorry, but like 52, I might have done it. 72, no freaking way. Sorry, Limelife, you are the worst. Your holiday sales are like the worst. I'm sorry. That's it. That's my unfiltered opinion. I thought there was a midnight oil type thing coming out and that didn't show up. And there's always the Danessa palette. Stay tuned. I will not stay tuned, but come back around soon. I'll have dupes for the Danessa palettes coming out soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's not feasible. I mean, you always pay like a little bit more for the smaller size, but not over double. You just don't. It's not worth it. It's just not.